Hey guys, so we just got this motion sensor light for the back of our shop here. Don't mind the door, it's dirty. So this is actually our yard for like letting dogs out. I'm a dog trainer, so but I needed a light back here because sometimes we let dogs out at night and it's dark, so I needed a light. So this is a little motion sensor light, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox it, see what's all in here and get it installed. So one of the cool things about this is it is solar powered. So here's your solar panel. But what's really cool is, you can install it just right here next to it, or right here we have a big tree above us. We don't get a ton of sun right here, so we should be able to run it out like around the corner there, and so we'll get the light that's coming from that way. So that's really nice. Big long cable. I think it's like 15 feet of cable, so that's really nice. Open this up. So here's our light. So be able to adjust the lights here and then adjust the back to however you need as well. Just like 240 little LED lights on here, and again, if you have it up here, that's your little motion sensor right there. Have it up here, we'll kind of aim it down a little bit so I can see us or the dogs or whatever out here, so I can turn on. That'd be cool. And then again, here's how did that end it? So here's how the solar panel will attach. It'll just plug in here. Once it's plugged in, you just thread that on just like that. So there's a little remote as well. So you can do like mode 1, mode 2, mode 3, mode 4, on and off. So we're gonna go ahead. It does come with instructions as well. It does come with the hardware too. For me, this is metal. I'm just gonna be installing it right into the metal. So I've got just some sheet metal screws is what I'm gonna use, but you can use whatever you need to. I could install it just into the wood frame of the door, but I kind of want it a little bit up higher, so that's what we're gonna do. All right, so this is the little bracket it comes with. So it's just got a little slot right there. So once you attach this, you can just slide the light right into it. So this fits perfect right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get her screwed in. All right, so we got the light installed over there. We ended up deciding to run the solar panel over here. So again, here's the little thing you pop it into. You can attach it there's holes in this little bracket here, but we're gonna do it this way. This fits perfectly up here, so we're gonna run it as taut as possible. Run it right there, and we'll get the evening sun that'll charge it up real nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and screw this in, and we should have light. All right, so we got it all installed now. We got the solar panel ran over there. Because we just took it out of the box, it's not all charged up yet, so can't give you a demonstration yet on the three different modes. But 3 different modes. We got low light is always on at night. The second mode is sensing mode, which is like it's on low, but once it senses movement, it'll go to high. And then just straight up sensing mode, where it'll just turn on high when it sees something. And then mode 4 is the light is constantly flashing. So yeah, we got this product off of Amazon. Go check it out. All right, so it is nighttime and it's had time to charge. So we got our remote here. There's the light up there. So we're gonna click the on button here, on. So it's on mode 1 right now. So we're gonna click mode 2. It's gonna flash a couple times. And then it's gonna get brighter. And then we're gonna hit mode 3 right here, mode 3. And then the last one, mode 4, which is like constantly blinking. And then we can, if we want, we can shut it off. So that's it at night. We're gonna leave it on mode 2. Actually, we're gonna turn it on first. And then leave it on mode 2, which is the brightest setting. And now, you can see, we have lots of light out here.